Victoria here on CNN News 18, and for the next 60 minutes I'll be walking you through all the top developments from the nation and around the world, starting the bulletin with some breaking news coming in from the state of Kerala. Now, the Kerala High Court has directed police authorities to ensure that no one is permitted to conduct mass drills or weapons training on the premises of a temple in the state capital district. We'll give you more context on that, about what temple exactly are we talking about and what are the directions that have been given by the police in just a few moments. Okay, I have CNN News 18's Neetu joining me on the phone line. Neetu, a very good morning to you. Could you give us more details about the directives that have come in from the police authorities and what temple are we exactly talking about?
Good morning. Now, this is an order from the Kerala High Court. Now, the Kerala High Court has directed that no mass drill or weaponry practices shall be permitted in the premises of the Sree Sarkara Devi Temple in Chirayankeezhu. Now, two people who said that they were devotees and nearby residents, G. Vyasan and KV Vijay Kumar, had approached the Kerala High Court stating that RSS members are conducting drills and training inside the temple compound, and this is creating a lot of issue for the devotees. Now, this is a temple which comes under the Travancore Devasam Board, and the Travancore Devasam Board had earlier also issued circulars that no such training should be allowed within the temple premises. These two petitioners approached the court stating that the administrative officer should comply by these directions. Now, the court has also directed the police, that is the station house officer of Chirayankeezhu police station, to give all necessary assistance to the administrative officer of the temple to ensure that there is strict compliance of this. Now, the petitioners were saying that this training was causing agony and difficulty to the devotees. During these practice, tobacco products were also used within the temple premises, and this affects the cleanliness and the purity and divinity of the sanctorum also.
Right. Neetu, as you just mentioned, we are talking about two petitioners and two petitions that have been filed by them. I want to understand from you what exactly did they write in those petitions, as you also mentioned the agony and disturbances that have been created by these practices that are being going around in the premises of the temple. I want to understand from you what exact disturbances are we talking about?
See, as I have mentioned now, what they have said is that the members of RSS occupying the temple premises and conducting mass drills and weaponry is a problem for the devotees. They're using, while this thing is going on, they use tobacco products within the temple premises, and it is affecting the cleanliness, purity and divinity. Also, the unpleasant smell causes great discomfort.
Neetu, I apologize for interrupting you there. I have VHP's Vinod Bansal joining me on the phone line as well. Vinodji, thank you so much for talking to CNN News 18. I want to understand from you, how exactly are you looking at this move of Kerala High Court stopping the RSS practices inside the temple premises?
No, I don't know what practices the High Court has talked about because I have not seen the news. Can you please repeat me what the High Court exactly said about it?
Okay. Sir, all right. Yeah, please continue.
No, what I understand from your reporter that the use of tobacco, the use of arms or arm training, whatever these activities are being conducted in the temple, it has never been allowed and neither been conducted by any of the religious body or the cultural body of the country. The temples are used for the prayers and for the religious rituals.
Yes.
Nobody makes the arm training, nobody makes the mass drills, nobody use the tobacco or something like that. Whatever the pronouncement is there, I couldn't understand.
Yeah, but what we are understanding is that petitioners have said that these practices that are being going around in the temple premises are causing agony and difficulty to the pilgrims there, worshipping and staying nearby the temple area as well. What do you have to say about that? Is that a common practice by the RSS workers to conduct such sort of activities inside temple premises?
You are saying the common practices. I'm saying that it is not the part of the RSS or any organization associated with RSS to use the tobacco or to promote the arms training or to have any such type of drills. We have never been done in the open place also. Why do we do these things in the temples? It is very embarrassing and surprising facts which is being given to the highlight to the honorable court and misleading the court actually. The petitioner doesn't understand what the RSS is and what do the RSS activists do in the temple. Temples are only for the rituals and the religious and the performance upliftment of society. Who use the tobacco? Definitely it should be banned.
Yeah.
If it is there somewhere in the temple, it has never been allowed any type of the arms training or so. Who makes the arm training? No, not at all. Nobody has given any arms training in the temple. The arms have never been the place for the temple are not the place for the arms.
Yeah.
I don't know what type of misleading informations are being given to the honorable court by the petitioner. Who is that? I'm not aware of it actually. Neither I was informed about any type of this verdict actually. But it is very surprising that how the court is being misleading this way. If somewhere it is being done, definitely it should be there. But the name of the RSS or the RSS functionaries or the RSS organizations is very surprising. How could you misuse the name of such an organization in the court of law? The courts take them to task. That it is never been done by our organizations, any one of the organizations.
Yeah.
How could the temple allow the arms training or the tobacco use or the liquor or some the non-veg use? It has never been the part of our society also. We always believe in the vegetarian society. We always believe in the piousness of the temples, and we always believe that the sanctity of the temples should always be maintained. We are fighting for that. Now, and how could such organization can be linked to that? It is very surprising to me. This is only just to vitiate the image, the damage the image of such an organization and defame the temples. If it is being done in a particular temple, it should stop immediately. I will also say, whosoever he may be,
Definitely.
it should never be done.
Yeah. Definitely, Vinodji. Thank you so much for talking to CNN News 18 and also sharing your perspective with us. Right now, we are shifting focus to another piece of breaking news.